Hi everybody and welcome to today's elevaTOURS by DieselDucy unboxing. Today we are going to be unboxing a Shure MV88 Plus video kit. You may be asking why I'm unboxing a Shure MV88 when I already own one. Well, anyway, the USB port on my Shure microphone broke, so I sent it in to be repaired. And they charged me a repair fee of $200, which is basically $50 below the retail price of this. And it looks like they're sending me a brand new one, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it right here on camera. I don't think I unboxed the last one, and in my opinion, this is the best microphone I ever have. And I'm not blaming Shure for my old one breaking, because it was the bottom of a camera bag, and two cameras crushed the USB port. But quick start guide just tells you how to assemble it and stuff. Let's go ahead and I guess we'll dump out the package since we can pull it out. I don't think this is gonna be too elaborate of an unboxing. Well, there it is. Let's see what we have here. The sleeve, just like my other one. I'll probably end up using my old one. Oh, there's the microphone. Clamp. Cable. And that's what grips to the cell phone. So, yeah, this is what you get. I guess this is brand new and sealed. It doesn't appear to be a refurb. But, yep, this is brand new because I wrote on mine. Before I sent it in for repair, I wrote something, and I don't know why on earth they would still use a micro USB-C port, but you have a lightning cable, USB-C cable, so packaged up nicely. But this, what's really cool, they give you a Manfrotto tripod, and I already have one of these, but this one, does my old one say Shure? There's the Manfrotto tripod. So this is what is inside a Shure MV88. Yeah, look at my old one. My old one does not say Shure. See, my old one says Manfrotto. My new one says Shure, but I got an extra one. So this is what you get if you buy a Shure MV88 Plus microphone.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more. And you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.